The Ford Raptor is an awesome go-fast machine. In this video, we're gonna show you why this 2020 is even better than the rest and what simple modification can be done to add a leveling kit. The Ford Raptor, since debuting in 2010, has been a force to be reckoned with off-road. And Ford each year has continued to make it better. Initially, they started off with a 2.5-inch diameter shock and then upgraded to a 3-inch diameter shock. And in 2019, revealed their live wire 3-inch diameter. So you can see that this truck has it, and I call it the live wire. It's not the live wire, it's the live valve. That's really cool. You'll see this thing actually plugs into the truck, and it allows for continuous compression dampening, electronically controlled by the truck through a lot of different sensors, so that no matter the terrain you're driving on, this thing is continually adjusting to make sure that you've got the absolute best ride possible. Now for this truck, the client wanted the front end to sit just a little bit higher. So over here you can see we've taken the coilover out. It gives you a really good look of what this thing looks like with no coilover inside of it. These control arms are so much longer than a normal F-150, and that's what really provides that long travel suspension. Over here, we're gonna go show you our strut compressor and what it looks like. So as you can see, here is the live valve factory strut that comes in this thing. They are massive, especially when you compare them to what comes in a normal F-150. Here's the old spring that we've just taken out, a big piece. The next is this spring from Eibach. So this is gonna lift the front of the truck up just a little bit to provide a nice level stance and awesome handling characteristics. Once we get it all wrapped up, we're gonna finish it off with a perfect alignment, and we'll show you some clips of it sitting out in the parking lot. It's gonna look good.